Hey guys, so today I am super excited to be cooking outside and I love a good braai. So I'll be making an old favorite of mine. It's honey, mustard and chili chicken with grilled peaches. For this recipe, I'll be using the braai pack as I love using chicken on the bone because it holds its shape better and is easier to handle while cooking over coals. Firstly, I'll season the chicken generously and then add in olive oil, both Dijon and whole grain mustard, honey, smoked chili flakes, and fresh herbs to make a delicious marinade. Now, the reason why I'm using whole grain and Dijon mustard is because Dijon adds a little bit of heat while whole grain adds some texture. Make sure to coat your chicken evenly before placing it onto the braai grid. Braai chicken over medium coals for about 35 to 40 minutes until beautifully golden and delicious. To prevent the chicken from drying out, I've simply added some butter and garlic into a little cast iron pan and that reserved marinade to use as a beautiful basting sauce. Our chicken is cooked and it smells and looks absolutely magnificent. So now it is on to our grilled peaches. Simply brush halved peaches or nectarines with that delicious marinade, place on the braai grid for a lovely charred effect. It is almost time to dig in. Just need to finish off the salad with some butter lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and of course, our lovely grilled peaches. Give the chicken a lovely squeeze of lemon or lime juice. And then all that's left to do is to plate up and enjoy.